This is the new Royal Enfield Classic 350. This is the 2024 version. Now on the face of it, it looks like the same old Classic 350 that's been there for a while, but there are a few new bits and bobs. So what are they? Let's find out quickly. Now let's start with the changes. Now of course this looks like the same old Classic like I mentioned before, but there are some big changes. First of all is this headlamp unit. Now this is all LED now. So gone are the halogen lamps and now you get more advanced, more modern full LED headlamp. Now this is standard on all versions and you also get these new pilot lamps. These are also LED. The turn indicators, well on this version they are the good old halogen lamps, but on the top end variants you get LED headlamps, LED turn indicators. So that's a new addition. Now apart from that, of course the design is the same, everything is the same mechanically. This is unchanged. It also gets the same J series engine, 350cc, so nothing has changed on that front. Now coming to the instrumentation, of course it looks the same as the old one, but there is an additional space here. Instead of this logo now you can fit Gripper navigation pod. Now that's optional on this version, but it is standard on the top end variants, so which are dark and chrome. I'll show you that in a bit, but this is the instrumentation on the motorcycle, so not much has changed. But yeah, you do get a gear positioning indicator right here, and this is again part analog, part digital. Apart from that, again the motorcycle remains more or less the same, and at the back also you now get LED tail light and these turn indicators. Like I said, in the top end variants they are all LEDs. Another new addition on the Classic 350 is this USB Type-C port. Now this is one of the new color options. It's called Stealth and it is quite black, but this one gets that Gripper navigation that I was talking about earlier. So there it is. It's similar to what you see on the Meteor, and it also gets a couple of more features like these LED turn indicators. Like I mentioned before, these are full LEDs, and it also gets adjustable levers. So as you can see, the levers are adjustable on this. Now these are the top end variants, and this is another new color option. It's called Gun Grey. This is the fourth color option. It's called Commando, and it has this nice camouflage theme. This is your fifth color option. It's called Jodhpur Blue, and it is quite shiny. And this is your sixth color option. It's called Madras Red. This is your seventh and final color option. It's called Emerald. It's green. It's quite nice and it is quite shiny. It has these nice details over here as well. And this is again the top end variant, so it's fully kitted out with all the features, all the new features that the new Classic 350 gets. Now another new thing with the Classic 350 is that Royal Enfield is now offering factory custom options with the Classic 350. Now these are some of the colors that are available, and these are some of the factory custom motorcycles that are here. So you can buy these. These are all available. So I'll just quickly show you all the colors that are on display here. This looks quite cool, quite basic. It looks really nice. And this is some rusty color option. Again, quite a cool addition to the range. So these are all the changes that the new Classic 350 gets. Of course, they're not that significant, but they are quite functional. Now, regarding the pricing of the new Classic 350, well, it's not out as yet. This motorcycle will go on sale from September 1st. So the pricing and deliveries will also commence around the same time. Now, just for reference, this motorcycle right now, the Classic 350 starts at 1.93 lakh. But another big update with the new Classic 350 2024 version is that it now gets dual channel ABS as standard. Now currently the version that gets dual channel ABS starts at around 2.02 lakh. So we are expecting this new version will start from around the same ballpark figure. But again, the final pricing will be out in September.